Type in xampp on your search bar, then click on the first link. Scroll down, click on more downloads from the xampp.os macOS version. Then search for xampp macOS. Click on that file. And now you can click on any version you want. So I'll click on the latest version. Now click on installer. This is where it gets confusing. Installer, not VM downloader. You click on installer file. That's the correct file, the installer file. Since I already have it on my system, I'm just going to cancel this and try to install it straight ahead. So yeah, the process is very simple. Just like in a document, you open the file and it's straightforward. Like if you've installed it on a Windows computer before, you understand what I'm saying. So it's quite straightforward from here. You can do it yourself. Just click next and choose your files, the file directory, and you're good to go. So yeah, I'm just going to skip this part and show you how it looks once installed. So that's the icon. Click on that and put in your password, admin password, and voila, this is it. So you can manage your servers and turn them on and turn them off whenever you feel like. So the other VM version wouldn't show you this part, the VM file. If you download it, it doesn't install properly. It doesn't give it the xampp icon. So this is why you need this installer file so you can install properly in your system. Yeah, you're welcome. Thanks for watching.